Good morning everyone. That in earlier exercise we have covered jump start. Now we will be starting with our exercise 9.1. Okay. So now first thing that we will be doing, calculate the perimeter of a given shapes by using formulas for a square and a rectangle. If you remember that we have done here, what is the perimeter of rectangle here? 2 multiply length plus breadth. You have to learn this thing. Okay. What is the perimeter of square here? Perimeter of square is 4 multiply length of a side. Okay, perimeter means this border. As you can see that this picture is having a border here, so we are finding the perimeter. Okay, so border you are finding it out, how much length you want to put on the length of a ribbon, length of a tape, like this you have to find for the perimeter. Okay, so now we have to find the here the perimeter of this window. So as you can see, this side 135 centimeter given, and here is also 135 centimeter. As you can see, the length and breadth are same. Okay, you can put the same formula for rectangle and square. Okay, it will not be wrong. As you can see, length and breadth are same, means these are the square. Square is always having equal sides. If this 2 is given, this one is equal to this and this one is equals to this. Always remember this thing. So it means this opposite one is also 135 centimeter and this one is also 135 centimeter. So sides are equal. So the first question, I have written the formula here. You have to write the final syllabus first in your notebook. These all 5 chapter will be coming in your final exam syllabus. Then you will write final exam syllabus started, exercise 9.1, and then you will write the formulas that are there. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiplied by side. Perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 multiply L plus B. So here side is equals to 135 centimeters. I have written. Okay, as this all are equal, so that's why I have written only side, because square is always having equal sides. So we will use the perimeter of square. So perimeter of square is 4 multiplied by sides. 4 multiplied by sides, so it will be equals to, now 135 you have to multiply with 4. Okay, 135 you have to multiply by 4. So 4 5 the 20, 0 here 2 up, 4 3 the 12, 12 plus 2 is 4, 14, 4 here 1 up, 4 1 the 4 and plus 5, so it will be equals to 540. Okay, then we are having a TV. As you can see, this is the length. I have already told you, this is length and this is breadth. Okay, if you write it like this one is length and this one breadth, I don't mind. Okay, the answer will be same, no problem. So here, as you can see, this 4 meter, so I have told you that in this opposite one will also be 4 meter and this one will also be 3 meters. Okay, no problem. So you can add also 4 plus 4 8, 3 plus 3 6, 8 plus 6 is equals to this 14. Okay, now the formula will be same. We will, but he has told you to use the formula, so we have to use the formula. As the length and breadth are different, so it means that this is a rectangle, and you can see that this one is also rectangle by picture also. So I have written length is equals to 4 centimeter, breadth is equals to 3 meter, sorry meter. Perimeter of rectangle is 2L plus B, that is length and breadth. L means length and B means breadth. So firstly you have to calculate these two. Okay, don't multiply this, you just have to calculate the bracket first. 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 7 multiplied by 2 is 14, 7 to the 14 meters. Okay, now let us go to next question. 14 centimeter and 13 centimeter book. Here also you can see that this one is also rectangle and this one will also be equals to 14 centimeter and this one will equals to 13 centimeter. Here this one will also be equals to 135 centimeter, 135 centimeter, no problem. So what will be the length and breadth? So this one will be length and this one will be breadth. Okay, so now we have written length is equals to 14 centimeter, breadth is equal to 13 centimeter, and we will use, as length and breadth are different, so we will use this formula. If you use this formula, this will be wrong because it is used for equal sides. But in square you can use this formula, no problem. But in rectangle you cannot use this formula. Okay, so perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2L plus B, 14 plus 13. Firstly you have to solve the bracket here. 14 plus 13 is equals to 3 plus 4 7, 1 plus 1 2, so 27. Now you have to multiply 2 with 27. I have done multiplication here. 2 7 the 14, 4 here 1, up 2 to the 4 plus 1 54. So 54 centimeter is the perimeter of the rectangle. This one I have given you homework. I have already written what is length, what is breadth, but you can solve it. Okay, now the next question, quite an interesting question for you people. Neha's mother wants to install a cabinet in her kitchen. She has approved the given design for the kitchen cabinet. So this one is the cabinet. Okay, this whole is the cabinet here. Okay, she wants to know the length of the black border to be put around the blue cardboards. Only blue cardboards के आसपास में she wants to put the border. Okay, so there are 4 boxes. Let me number this up. First, second, third and fourth. Okay, so this one is given to you, first, second, third, fourth. Okay, so now she wants to know the length of the black border to be put around the blue cardboard. Calculate the total length of the border. So you have to put the black border around the blue boxes. So you have to find the perimeters of these boxes differently, separately you have to find. First you will find the perimeter of this box, then this box, then this box, then this box, and then you have to add, as these all are having different lengths and breadths. As you can see here, this one is in meters and this one is in meters and this one in centimeter. Again this one is meter and this one is meter. So we have to change this into meters if you want to add. I have told you already, when you have to add, subtract, multiply, divide, you have to do it in same units. You have to first find the perimeter of all these boxes. So first one is given, this is your breadth, length or length, this one is length 1.25 meters, and this one, it will not be clear to you people, let me show it. It is not clear in the book, but it is 0.7 centimeters. Okay, here you can look at 0.75 meters. Okay, so now first, like this I have written, length of a box first, so it is 1.25 meters, breadth of the box first 0.75 meters. So perimeter of box first will be, formula will be 2l plus b again. So you have to add 1.25 and 0.75. So I have done addition like this. 5 plus 5 is 10, 0, 1, 1 here. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 7 is 10, 0 here, 1 up. 1 plus 0 is, 1 plus 1 is 2, so it means 2. If we add this 2, okay, firstly you have to solve the bracket, please remember this thing. So 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 4. You can put 0.00 afterwards. Okay, length of box second. So what will be the length? The length is 40 centimeter and the breadth is 45 centimeter. 45 centimeter length and breadth is 40 centimeter, as you want to take, I don't mind. Okay, so here length is equals to box or second is 45 centimeter, breadth of the box is second. No matter if you write 40 centimeter up, 45 centimeter down, no problem, there will answer will be same. So you have to add this thing. Okay, so here we have to add, this 1.7 meters. Okay, so here what you will do, you have to add 45. Firstly you will write the formula 2l plus b. So here 2 45 plus 40 centimeter. If you add 45 plus 40, you will get 85. 5 plus 0 5, 4 plus 4 8, 85 centimeter, but this is given in centimeter, and 2 multiplied by 85. Now you have to multiply here, 85 multiplied by 2, 2 5 the 10, 0 here, 1 up, 2 8 the 16, 16 plus 7 is 170. So 170 centimeter. Now 170 centimeter is in centimeter, but all the other numbers given is meter. So we will change this 170 centimeters into meters. So firstly what you will do is, you have to divide 170 centimeter divided by 100, because we are changing into meter, so centimeter we have to change in meter, we have to divide it with 100. 0 se 0 cut gaya, 17 will be left and 10. So this 0 will be taken by 7 and then 1 will become point. So 1.7 meter will be the answer. Now the third box. Okay, so as you can see here, that this third box, let me show it to you. Yes, this third box is only telling me what is the breadth of this number, okay, box, but it is not showing me the breadth of this thing. 1.25, as you can see, length is not given to, but as you can see this box is equal to this box, so we can say that the length and the breadth of this box is same. So this one is 1.25 also, and this one is also 1.25, so it will become square. If the length and breadth are same, it means that it is square. So we can use the formula 4 multiplied by sides. Length of box third is 1.25, or you can write side of the box third is 1.25, breadth of the box will be 1.25 only. So now perimeter of box third is 4 multiplied by sides. So you have to multiply 1.25 with 4. So 4 5 the 20, 0 here, 2 up, 4 to the 8 plus 2, 10, 0 here, 1 up, 4 1 the 4, 5. So it will be 5 meters. It is already given in meters, so we will say meters. Now the last one, fourth. So it is a box for 1 meter, having the breadth 1 meter and length is 1.5 meter. Again the length and breadth is given. You have to use the formula. Here length of the box is 4, 1.5 meter, breadth of the box 4 is 1 meters, perimeter of the box 4 is 2L plus B. So you have to add 1.5 1 meter. If you will add 1.5 1.0, so it will be equal 5 plus 0 is 5, 1 plus 1 is 2. So it will be 2 multiplied by 20, 2 multiplied by 2.5. So 2 5 the 10, 0 here, 1 up, 2 to the 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So this point will come from the back and this will be 5.0 meters. Now, so total border required. What will be the total border required here? You have to add 4 meters, 1.7 meters, 5 meter, 5 meter. Okay. So I have written it like this because there is one number that is given with decimal. So we have to use decimal here. 0 plus 0, 0. 7 plus 0, 7. Point. 5 plus 5, 10. Plus 1 plus 4 is 15. So 15.70 meters will be the answer. Now question number 3. Let me show it to you people. Hema wants to sew a lace along the border of her handkerchief. Okay, so I have told you when you have to find the border, it means that you have to find the perimeter. So each side of the handkerchief is 20 centimeter. Means each side, means every side of the handkerchief is 20 centimeter. So what it will become when the side of the handkerchief will be same? So handkerchief will be same. It means that it is a square. So what is the length of the lace she needs? So if she wants to ask what is the total border she needs to put the lace on the handkerchief. So you have to find the perimeter of the square here with the side 20 centimeter. If the perimeter of the square, this one is homework for you people. If the perimeter of square is 48 meters, then what is the length of its sides? Okay, if the perimeter of square, here the perimeter of square is given and you have to find the length of the sides, means length of the side you have to find. So there is one more thing how you will do it. Perimeter of the square is 48 meters. Perimeter formula is equals to perimeter of square formula is 44 multiplied by sides, as you know that. Okay. So now what you will do here, this 4 is getting multiplied. As we have to find the side, what you will do, if 4 is multiplying, so here we will divide. So the new formula will become sides is equals to perimeter upon 4. This 4 will go down. Okay, this 4 will go down. Perimeter is equals to 4 multiplied by sides. So perimeter upon by 4. So what is the perimeter given here? The perimeter given here is 48. So 48 upon by 4. 4 comes at 1, 48 comes, 4 comes at 1 and 8 comes at 2. So 12. So side is equals to, so the side of the square will be 12 meters. By this we will finish. Okay, this question. Bye bye students.